Welcome once again to Exploring with Gabi. Today we are heading to a legendary spot in Accra, Ghana, the Kantamanto Market. Now, if you are into fashion and finding those killer deals, you gotta know about this place. It's basically the mecca of used clothing, shoes, and accessories in Accra, where you can find everything from vintage threads to the latest trends at the prices that your pocket will sing. Imagine rows and columns of stores overflowing with clothes, shoes, bags, and more. It's a sensory overload of colors, textures, and the hustle and bustle of traders and shoppers. Kantamanto is a true testament to Ghanaian entrepreneurship, with countless individuals making a living by sourcing and selling these goods. But here's the thing, Kantamanto has had its own share of challenges. Back in 2013, a massive fire ripped through the market, destroying countless stores and livelihoods. It was a devastating blow to the traders, many of them who had lost everything they have worked for many years. Sadly, history repeated itself once again. On January 2nd, 2025, while traders were still enjoying the festive season and welcoming the new year, the unthinkable happened. Another major fire struck the market, causing widespread damage and leaving traders facing yet another uphill battle. The scene was truly devastating. Smoke jetted into the sky, engulfing the market in a thick, choking haze. The once vibrant market was reduced to charred landscape, a grim reminder of the devastating impact of the fire. Countless stores were destroyed, livelihoods were shattered, and the community was left reeling from the shock and loss. Truly, the fire consumed not only goods, but also years of hard work, dreams, and aspirations. Now, the big question: what caused these fires? Expert points to a combination of factors, including but not limited to 1. Faulty wiring. Many of these stores are powered by makeshift electronic connections, increasing the risk of short circuits and fires. 2. Lack of fire safety measures. Inadequate fire exits, lack of fire extinguishers, and lack of regular fire safety inspections all contributed to the risk. And 3. Illegal structures. Many of the structures within the market are built with flammable materials and may not meet safety standards. It's a serious issue that requires urgent action. We need to see improved infrastructure, better fire safety regulations, and increased awareness within the market community. The resilience of the Kantamanto traders is truly inspiring. Despite this devastating setback, they've demonstrated an incredible spirit of entrepreneurship. Within 48 hours of the fire, traders themselves began rebuilding, showcasing their unwavering determination to recover. They began working tirelessly day and night to restore their livelihoods and bring back the market to life. Kantamanto is more than just a market. It's a symbol of resilience and the spirit of Ghanaian entrepreneurship. It's a place where you can find incredible deals, experience the vibrant energy of Ghanaian markets, and support local businesses. Have you ever been to a market like Kantamanto? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video, share your thoughts with us in the comment section, and like this video for more. See you in the next one, but before then, stay curious.